Recently, I just bought this 864 Bobcat skid steer, and it is a huge upgrade from my old Ford tractor. I've been doing many things with it, like building a driveway, moving mulch for our garden, and moving logs for my sawmill. But it looks a bit rough on the outside, partly because of its DOT paint job, and partly because it's weather-worn paint and seat. So if you guys help me get up to 500 subscribers, I'll make another video when I paint it back to Bobcat colors and put a new seat in it to make it look brand new again.